In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this glowing and transparent material in less than 4 minutes. The render image was constructed from an animation frame. Let's create this animation from scratch. We'll need a cube and a plane. I'll put the cube above the plane, and add rigid body physics for both. On the cube, I'll add 3 array modifiers for each axis. Let's separate the meshes. First thing we need to do is applying all modifiers. In edit mode, type 3 to face select, and P to separate by loose parts. In object mode, set the origin to geometry. That's how the animation was created. Let's take a look at the materials. Here are the full nodes. Here are my composite settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.